Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
Next one. Okay, so in fingerprints, marami din pong lumalabas na mga personalities. Okay? So he is an English engraver. So sa Tagalog, mang-uukit, an author and naturalist. So ang ginawa niya, sa lahat ng inuukit niya, okay, na mga woodwork, okay, ang ginawa niya is in-imprint niya yung kanya, in-engrave niya yung kanyang fingerprint to establish its genuineness. So ibig sabihin, para masabi na kanya yung work na yon, nilagay niya yung sarili niyang fingerprint. Okay? So sino dito sa apat na ito yung gumamit ng fingerprint? Nilagay niya yung kanyang fingerprints. Okay? Inukit niya mismo yung fingerprint sa kanyang mga nililok. Okay? To establish its genuineness. Okay? So the answer here is Thomas Bewick. Okay? Thomas Bewick. So, si Herman Welcker, okay, siya naman yung nag-print na kanyang palm, di ba? Si Henry Faulds, siya naman yung sa Japan. Okay? Gumamit naman siya ng, he was one of the first persons na nagsabi na we can use fingerprint as a means of identification sa criminals. Okay? And Juan Vucetich naman, dito naman tao na to ang isa sa pinakaunang naka-solve ng crime with the use of fingerprints. So mamaya, I will discuss that case. No? So Juan Vucetich, siya yung sa Spanish, sa Argentine police siya. Siya yung nag-create ng fingerprint identification system, okay, classification system na ginagamit ng mga Spanish-speaking countries. Right? So the answer here is Thomas Bewick. Okay, so ginamit niya yung kanyang fingerprint, in-engrave niya sa kanyang mga nililok, Thomas Bewick. Okay. So dito naman, so sumulat daw siya ng book. He stated in his book that although the arrangement of skin is never duplicated, nevertheless, it is the similarities are closest to individuals. So basically, it is the birth of the principle of permanency. Okay, so sino dito ang nagsabi na tawag doon, na ang fingerprint is never duplicated. So, sorry, that is the principle of infallibility, okay? Individuality. So, principle of individuality. So, sino dito yung nagsasabi na although they may be similar, okay? Maaari silang maging magkamuka, but they can never be duplicated up to the smallest detail. Okay, so maaaring magpareho tayong may word, pero up to the smallest detail, it will never be duplicated. Okay, sino daw yung nagsabi niyan? So basically, the principle of individuality. Ano ba yung principle of individuality? That means no two person have the same fingerprint. Okay, that is J.C. Mayer. Okay, so si Marcelo Malpighi, okay, siya po yung nakadiscovery ng dermis, okay, tsaka epidermis. Okay, dermis is the inner layer, epidermis is the outer layer. Okay? Kaya kapag sinabi nating dermis o dermal layer, tinatawag din po siyang stratum malpighi or Malpighian layer. Okay, kaya pag tinanong sino nakadiscover ng dermis or epidermis, that is Malpighi. Marcelo Malpighi. He is the grandfather of dactyloscopy. Take note of that, ha? The grandfather of dactyloscopy. Naka-imbento siya, na-discover niya yung dermis and epidermis. Okay? So tinatawag siyang stratum Malpighi or the Malpighian layer. Johannes Purkinje. So nabanggit na natin kanina. So kung si Marcelo Malpighi yung grandfather of dactyloscopy, Johannes Purkinje the father of dactyloscopy. Why? Because siya yung nag-set ng names. Okay? Ilang names ang binigay niya? 9. Okay? So 9 names po ang binigay ni Johannes Purkinje. So classify niyo yung iba't ibang fingerprints into 9 groups. Okay? That's why he's considered as the father of dactyloscopy. Okay? And then Francis Galton, take note mga kaibigan, siya naman yung tinaguriang the first scientist on the friction skin. Pinakaunang scientist na nag-aral ng friction skin. That is Francis Galton. Okay? Siya din yung siya din yung nag-classify ng excuse me, na ang nagbigay ng 3 fingerprint families. Ano ba yung fingerprint families ng 3 na yon, di ba? We have the arch, we have the loop, and we have the whorl. So siya po yung nagbigay ng 3 yan. That is Francis Galton. So the principle of individuality, that is J.C. Mayer. Okay? Next. Okay. So who took the prints of his own palm in 1856, okay? Then in 1897 or 41 years later, na-print niya ulit only to discover that fingerprints do not change. Okay? So ano ba yung principle that the fingerprints do not change? This is the principle of permanency. Okay? So basically, siya yung nag-prove, okay, at nag-propose ng principle of permanency. So sino yan? So in 1897, print niya yung palm niya, and then 41 years later, tinignan niya ulit, nakita niya they do not change. Okay? So the answer here is Herman Welcker. Yan. So si Herman Welcker po. Right? Okay. Next. Okay. Ito naman, number 9, it is known as the science of palm print. Okay? Identification. Palm print identification. Okay. So, ano yan? So, ang pinag-uusapan natin, ito. Okay? So, the science of palm print identification, what do you call that? Okay, that is, okay, the answer here is A.Chiroscopy. Okay, nakikita niyo po ba yung animation, guys? Nakita niyo yung animation? Or baka hindi niyo na pansin? Okay ba? Nakikita niyo po? Nakita niyo po yung sagot? Wala ba? Sagot naman. Nandiyan ba? Nakikita niyo yung sagot? Okay. So I will just assume na nakikita niyo po, ano? Okay, so it is known as the science of palm print identification, that is A.Chiroscopy. Okay, so who is the father of A.Chiroscopy? That is Herschel. Okay, William Herschel. Okay, so pag sinabi naman natin poroscopy, okay, because A.Chiroscopy muna, A.Chiroscopy came from the Greek word chair, which means palm. Okay, and then poroscopy, yes, of course, the study of pores. Okay, the study of pores. So ano ba yung pores? Diyan nanggagaling yung pawis. Okay, so bakit natin pinag-aaralan yan? Bakit natin kailangan ng pag-aralan yung pores pagdating sa fingerprint? Because yung pawis is one of the most common medium, okay, ng fingerprint. Diyan nanggagaling yung fingerprint. That's why we need to study pores. So what is the study of pores? Poroscopy. Okay? And then when we say podoscopy, it is the study of the soles of the feet. Okay, so yung sa talampakan naman po. Okay, so kung eto, A.Chiroscopy, okay, so yung sa talampakan naman, we call that podoscopy. Okay, who is the father of poroscopy? Okay, that is, he is also the father of forensics. Okay, take note ha, the father also of forensics, and he is also known as the Sherlock Holmes of France. Okay? So, next, number 10. Okay, who is considered as the father of chiroscopy? Yan. Who used fingerprints in India to prevent fraudulent collection of army pay accounts. So, ang ginawa niya daw, meron kasing parang swelduhan sa army noon, and then marami nagkakaroon ng impersonation. So to prevent impersonation, para itong mga army na to, kinukuha nila yung collection ng iba. Okay, to prevent impersonation, ang ginawa niya, he used the palm. Okay, yung mga palm print. Yan. So sino yan? That is William Herschel. Okay, William Herschel. Take note ha, hindi John Herschel, because John Herschel ay ma-encounter nyo din yung pangalan na to sa criminalistics. Okay? So pag narinig nyo yung John Herschel, ito po ay sa photography. Okay? So si William Herschel, yan naman po ay yung father of chiroscopy. Okay? Take note yun yan ha. Father of chiroscopy. So magkaiba po si John Herschel, okay, sa photography, William Herschel sa fingerprints. Okay, the father of chiroscopy. So, pag tinanong din ano yung middle name niya, that is William James Herschel. Okay, William James Herschel. Right.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!